Your baby now measures around 38 centimeters long, or 15 inches, and weighs about 1.3 kilograms, or a little less than 3 pounds. That accounts for 3% of his total body weight. Your child drinks up to a half a liter of amniotic fluid a day and releases it as urine. The amniotic fluid is constantly being replaced and renewed. The bone marrow manufactures red blood cells, and the brain continues to form neurons. Your baby's brain has already developed enough to start regulating its body temperature. Your baby may sleep during the day and stay awake at night, which could affect your sleep. Fortunately, he won't necessarily carry on with the sleep schedule right up until birth. Do you suffer from involuntary muscle contractions in your legs, especially at night? Some doctors think that they're caused by the pregnancy putting too much pressure on your legs. Others say it's a lack of calcium or magnesium in your body, or even from the uterus putting too much pressure on the main vein that drains your legs. Your baby is also increasingly putting pressure on your internal organs and bowel, but don't forget that these discomforts will disappear soon after birth. If you get a cramp in your legs, stretch them out and bend your toes. Drink plenty of water and avoid standing up for long periods of time.